Hello and welcome to this comprehensive Python tutorial on exception handling, specifically focusing on try, except, and finally blocks. Let's start with an overview of Python exception handling. Exception handling in Python is done using the try, except, and finally blocks. These blocks help us write robust and error-resilient code, as they enable us to catch and handle specific exceptions gracefully. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of exception handling and learn how to structure our code using these blocks. Let's take a look at a basic example of using try and except blocks. Here is a simple Python code snippet demonstrating the usage of try and except blocks. We have a function called divide, which takes two arguments, a and b. Inside this function, we try to perform a division operation divided by b and return the result. If a zero division error occurs when b is 0, we catch it using the except block and return a string indicating that division by 0 is not allowed. Notice the code on the screen. Now, let's move on to the finally block. The finally block comes after the try and except blocks and is used for cleanup, resource management, or other actions that must be executed regardless of whether an exception occurs or not. Here's the same division function with an added finally block. In this example, the finally block simply prints a message that the function has finished executing. Take a look at the code on the screen. We can also combine multiple except blocks to handle different exceptions, forming a more robust error handling mechanism. In this example, we add another type of exception to our divide function. We catch a type error, which occurs when non-numeric arguments are provided as input. We handle this error with a separate except block that returns a string indicating that only numeric inputs are allowed. Observe the modified code on the screen. Congratulations! You have learned how to handle exceptions in Python using try, except, and finally blocks. Remember, using these blocks wisely is essential for writing robust and error-resilient code. In this tutorial, we covered the following topics: understanding exception handling in Python, the roles of try, except, and finally blocks, basic example of using try and except blocks, the importance of the finally block handling multiple exceptions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.